Isaac Fox and Sarah Adams orchestras. I wanted to send a quick screencast just showing you the new website. With District 95, we've changed into having a website/board where we can post a bunch of information instead of using outside sources like EduBlogs or things like that. So I wanted to quickly go through it for you. On the left, you will see there's my Twitter feed, and if I scroll down, you'll see I have tweet every few days or so, and definitely on Fridays I post unique videos from around the world of orchestra. So this is one I posted on Friday. It has a great cover of Feeling Good song. But more importantly, I wanted to demonstrate and show you all these different activity or resources, links over here. All of them, the first one is about Mrs. Duke. It gives you the information. And when you click on that first one up there, you still have to scroll down and click again on the bottom part. That's the tricky part. This just gives you a background of me and when I'm at each school. You click on this link to go back to our main page. The base resources, this is again, you have to scroll down, go to posts and click on it, so it's a double click to get to each thing. This has tons of information about each instrument. You'll see that for each instrument, so this is the base one. Then I have information about bow strokes. Again, scroll down, click on the second link. This again is information we'll be going over through this year. Back to the main page. Cello resources, just like the bass resources. Concerts, events, and calendars. Again, double click. You will see I have a Google Calendar and then the Google Doc forms of each one. Feel free to click on those and print them out so you have them at home. The most important one to me, I think, is the concert music video examples. This I usually send in the emails, but if you lose that email, you can come here and I have a variety of videos and recordings that I've created over the years showing you how to play part of your instrument. And for 5th graders, including the links to the Sound Innovations recording library, and we'll be adding more videos through the year. I update that pretty much every Friday also. Instrument care. Again, always click on the main category here and then the post. Oh, that one's not right. I need to fix that one. Instrument care, we'll try that one again. Maybe I clicked on the wrong thing. There we go. This just talks about how to take care of your instrument, a few more details and some pictures to help with guiding taking care of your instrument. Let's see, music terms and symbols, similar to the bow strokes. It has a bunch of different information that we'll be learning this year. Our clefs, how to read the notes, different types of rhythms, etc. A bunch of music vocab symbols. Orchestra music games. These are fun, especially if you maybe are looking to do something online. This is a way for the students to practice their notes. So these are different types of flashcards or online music games where they can practice reading their notes. Back to the main page. This is where I will post the orchestra parents door monitors. Thank you again to all the parents who are volunteering. I will have the 4th grade one posted once we get that set, and I'll post the 5th grade one later today. Orchestra practice tips. Again, always click on the category and then the post. The orchestra practice tips, we will be going through these this year with the students, but it's just a reminder that practicing does take extra motivation, and so sometimes the best way to encourage your students is to have them perform for you or have them perform for neighbors or extra family or friends that are around. Practice records, this is probably the second most important post. Again, click the category and then the post. Each week I update this. There's the practice records in a variety of forms. For example, there's the Monday groups with the Google Doc. The Google Doc is just the paper version that the students receive, and then the Google form, which is like a Google survey, and the students can fill it out online. You're welcome to do it either way, whatever works most conveniently for your family. And again, I'm just looking to see that the students have practiced their instruments and showed you what they learned each week. Back to the main page. Reading the clefs is another one similar to the music term and symbols. It shows you talking about how to read each instrument and some helpful hints to help you remember how to read each clef. Sectional class schedules. This is posted for September and October. Every 2 months I'll post a new schedule and how to schedule to the teachers and the students, but it will be located here. Let's see, tuner information. This is mostly for the 5th grade students. We will be learning how to tune our instruments later this year, and these are a variety of different types of tuners that you can purchase to help the students learn. We'll be using some of these when we start learning how to tune. The plan is to start probably late November, early December, so that the students know how to tune by the time they get to middle school. viola and violin resources, just like the bass and cello resources, which are a bunch of information. And then, of course, why music is important. This is basic information, talks about all the intrinsic values of it, but also some really interesting facts about how students who participate in orchestra, how it increases their skills and their GPA, SAT scores, etc., etc. And this is just a quick overview of the new website that we have here at District 95. So I don't have my orchestra blog anymore, but I'll be posting everything on this link. If you need to find this link, currently, you would go to the LZ95 homepage and go to schools, and it's currently linked to my Sarah Adams school, which is my home school. You would click on staff directory, scroll down, find my name, and then it says Elizabeth Duke Board. I've also included this link in my email address, so you can always find it when I send you an email. I hope this helps everybody with learning how to use the new websites here at school, and looking forward to another wonderful week of orchestra. Bye.